Thanks for hosting this great webinar. And here's a question for you. I think Marion said it well. Meaningful change in nutrition and health will happen only if the food system and the corporations that dominate it stop producing and marketing unhealthy foods. Given that consumption of unhealthy foods is really what's driving the epidemic of chronic diseases, what would be your priority policy or regulation to change industry behavior? Thanks.
Thanks very much for the question, Jim. Well, it's a little naive to think that companies are going to voluntarily stop marketing all junk foods. Instead, we need to call on government to adopt policies that would reduce the consumption of unhealthy foods. Let's start with warning labels on the fronts of packages. Chile, Mexico, Israel, and other countries have adopted warning labels for foods high in added sugars, sodium, calories, and saturated fat. And that has had a real impact on what companies market and what consumers purchase. Stop marketing junk foods to kids. That's a no-brainer. The government could also set maximum limits on the sodium content of different categories of packaged foods. Right now, there's a voluntary program. It's unclear if that is having any effect whatsoever. And then how about taxing soft drinks? A major contributor to obesity and diabetes. Taxing soft drinks would have an immediate impact on consumption of soft drinks. So those are some ideas. There are a lot of others. There's massive industry opposition to such measures, and health advocates are going to have to campaign long and hard to get any of that adopted.